Following its introduction to the local car market early last year, the Hyundai Reina has become the best-selling vehicle of Hyundai Asia Resources Incorporated, authorized importer and distributor of Hyundai vehicles in the country. The Hyundai Reina is the South Korean brand's entry to the highly competitive entry-level subcompact sedan market. The Reina's sales performance in 2019, landing second in number of units sold in the segment in its debut year, should strengthen Hyundai's confidence that the combination of subcompact sedan styling, exterior and interior features, powertrain and retail price will continue to generate volume sales. The 2020 Hyundai Reina 1.4 GL 4-speed automatic represents the top range of the model sold locally. 4.3 meters long, 1.705 meters wide, and 1.460 meters high. The Reina features the distinctive hexagonal grille and flowing body lines of the latest Hyundai vehicles. It has a gross vehicle weight of 1,500 kilograms, 2,570 millimeter wheelbase, and a 43-liter fuel tank capacity. The top-of-range Reina comes standard with halogen headlamps and body-colored side view mirrors. The suspension system uses McPherson struts with stabilizer in front and couple torsion beam axle in the rear. Underneath the hood of the Reina is a 1,368cc MPI or multi-point injection gasoline engine capable of generating 95 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 13.5 kilogram-meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. The engine is mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission in the Reina 1.4 GL automatic. Stopping power comes from a brake system that uses front discs and rear brake drums. The cabin of the Reina can seat 5 comfortably. Interior amenities features, among others, fixed rear headrests, central door locks, power front windows, room lamps, air conditioning with manual controls, room lamp, sun visor for driver and front seat passenger. The driver benefits from motor-driven power steering, complemented by a tiltable steering wheel. A conventional instrument cluster is complemented by a 2.8-inch LCD display for info such as average fuel consumption, etc. Standard onboard entertainment comes from one DIN AM/FM radio unit with USB connection. However, Hyundai has listed new variants of the Reina that come with its proprietary AVN or audio, video, and navigation head units, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features in the 2020 Hyundai Reina 1.4 GL4 automatic include dual airbags, seat belts for 5, and anti-lock brake system. Hyundai's official website lists the following prices for the Reina variants. Reina 1.4 GL 5 manual transmission, 683,000 pesos. Reina 1.4 GL 4 automatic, 733,000 pesos. Reina 1.4 GL 5 manual transmission with AVN, 733,000 pesos. And Reina 1.4 GL 4 automatic with AVN, 783,000 pesos.